In this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Typeform with Notion. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your actual Typeform. Once you're in here, click onto this Get Started. It's free in order to sign up for an account, or you can also click onto this button called Sign Up that's usually been found on the upper right corner. So on my case, since I already have an account, let me just proceed to click onto this login option that we can see right here. Now here is my dashboard on Typeform. In order to integrate your Typeform with Notion, you first need to choose right here a particular form that you wish to integrate with Notion. I have chosen one of my form right here, and from in there, this will redirect you into the actual Typeform editor. Now into this, click onto the Connect panel that we can see into this part. Then after that, this will load the marketplace. Click onto this search, and then search in here for Notion. Here is our Notion right here. Click on Connect option. Then after that, you can see this. Click on this Authenticate option. And then this will open your Google Chrome. So proceed to actually log in to your Notion using this. Click on Accept. And then next, authenticate your Notion account. Just click onto this right here. Then just log in into your Notion. So just wait for this and then proceed to log into Notion.so in order to connect those two together. Proceed to continue signing in into your Notion, and then this will load in order to show and log you into the Notion. Now in here, just select pages that you wish to add right here. I'll select my private pages and click on Allow Access. Then this will authorize it right there. Once it's authenticated, choose right here the fields that you want to get for Notion. And then after that, input right here a Typeform question and select a field to map for that. Now in here, just choose right here the option that you wish to use for this case. And after that, click on Save Mapping, accept the terms and condition. And then after that, you can see that it's now connected. So you can now use it and you're all set. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.